Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Ramil, and for everybody else, welcome. Today's video is going to be over something very quick and easy that you all can do if you are looking for a protective style. Today I'm going to be doing mini twist, and I am using this human bulk hair from Eayonhair. I have worked with their hair in the past and it's just absolutely amazing. I've done mini twist before using their hair. I've used their clip-ins, and I've also done crochet boho braids from them, so the quality is very consistent. And this is my first time doing color. I really love the color on this hair, and I love how soft it feels and how it's not shedding or matting at all. So hopping right into it, I'm starting off with freshly blown out washed hair. For me, when I'm braiding my hair, I've realized that it's always easiest if I put my hair into 4 sections, so that's what I'm doing here. So I decided to start off in the front because I just feel like I have more patience starting off in the beginning with the front. So I'm starting on the left side of my head, and I'm starting off with doing 3 twists at the bottom. Once I add gel to my section, you just take a piece of the human hair and you split it in half. That is the secret to making it long. And then once you do, I just apply edge control to the hair so that way it blends in those pieces that were loose. I did start off with a braid, and then by the time I braided my hair about 4 times, I started to add in the twist. And from there, as you're going down your twist, you gradually just add more hair. If you've ever done passion twist before, that is the exact twisting slash braiding method what I'm doing here in order to create this natural mini twist look. I'm going to show you all a few more times how I started off my twist, and then after that you all will see the results. I also would like to add that I kind of like the messy, like frizzy look, so I'm not too caught up on if some of the pieces of the hair is sticking out from the extension. So this is what my hair looked like the following day. It is a little stiff just because I had it up into a bun. It is an easy fix. All you have to do is either add mousse, or if you have a spray bottle, you can spritz your hair a little bit and that will take away some of that stiffness. As far as the parting in the back, those sections are way bigger than they are in the front, simply because, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I got tired. I am gonna show you all a few styles that you can do with the mini twist, so I'm gonna insert those clips here. So this is how I'm going to be wearing my hair for today, keeping it pulled back and out of my face since I am about to start some activities with my daughter. So with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. Everything about this human hair will be in the description box, and I can't wait to see you all in my next one. Bye.